best way to beat the hot summer heat than eating some delicious shaved ice. We start off at Meat Fresh in China. You can find Meat Fresh all around the world. What we have here is a bowl of grass jelly with mochi on top and grass jelly flavored shaved ice on the bottom, and top it off with some sweet fresh milk cream. What I have here is a bowl of grass jelly shaved ice. It is topped with some boba and grass jelly on top, and red beans on the side, and 2 big pieces of taro. Don't forget to pour in the fresh and sweet milk cream. It makes it taste a lot better. Let's enjoy the night view in China. Enjoy! We are here at Iceprince, another shaved ice place in China. Let's check out the menu and see what they have. This is a mixed fruit shaved ice. It is filled with mixed fruits like bananas, watermelon, pineapple, mango, and dragon fruit. It is topped with red bean on top and mochi on top, and then cover the whole thing in sweet condensed milk. Look at how fluffy the shaved ice is. This is similar to Meat Fresh. It's grass jelly with mochi on top and red bean on top of the shaved ice, and top it off with the sweet condensed milk on top. Look at how fluffy the ice is. This is the best way to beat the hot summer heat in China. This is the mango shaved ice. Look at how many mangoes there are. It is topped with some sweet condensed milk on top and some fluffy ice on the bottom. Next we have is a durian and mango shaved ice with some watermelon on top, and top it off with some sweet condensed milk. And let's have a taste test. This is the mango and durian. It's good. You can definitely taste the durian. Really good. When eating in restaurants in China, you often get a plastic covered bowl set. What you have to do is break open the cover, and you take the hot tea and pour over the chopstick, and more tea to put into the bowl to wash the bowl, the cup, and the spoon. This way you can make sure that everything is clean and ready to go. And once you're all done, you pour the tea back into another bowl on the table. And remember, don't eat with the plate, but eat with the bowl.
That's how you clean it.
This is one of my favorite drinks I found in China. This is a sweet milk, kind of tastes like yogurt, and it's really, really good. Get it? Thanks for watching. Bye.